In my other channel, first time live. Where? In my... Here? Wait. Where's my... Nice here. Nice here. This what? Hi, Shine. What rims? Donated $10. You donate here. You buy super chat in my live. Live. There, guys. Hi, hello. Please don't like video. If you don't like the video, I'm banning. Why ban? Oh, please don't. It's you when you're not here. You are always in your bed with yourself. Because it's daytime here, not nighttime. Not playing games. Like the video now with dreams. What's that? If I turn this light, but it's so dim. I'm the one always ask you to marry me. Yes, I remember you, but you come to Philippines if you want to know me. More. Hi, you met me. How you pronounce your How do you pronounce your name? Hello. Injan. Ah, no, I'm not married. But I bet you have so many men chasing you. No. Why John Smith? As a warning. Yes. Nasakit akong pitil. A gym lover. Hi, hello. Can you cut my hair? No, I won't. I will cut my hair. I love my hair. Why should I cut? Show me your... Why? Front, front and back is all the same. Jen is bullying me as a mood very disrespectful. A moderator. Yeah. What did you say on my live? Why Jan is banning you in my live for 10 minutes? Back is beauty. That's another 10 seconds time out.